What's up, ladies and gents? If you want to make this incredible dish, sit back, relax, and let Chef Hill take over. Enjoy.
What's up, everybody? So I wanted to kind of touch base with y'all today to kind of show you a recipe that I do. It's not really even a recipe. I can't even really call it that because it's very fucking simple. But it makes a difference. Little things like this will make a difference in your food, because if you're dieting, putting emphasis and putting, what's the word I'm gonna look for? Effort into actually cooking your food and making it taste good goes a long way, right? So here's what I do with cream of rice, right? So I already have 30 grams of cream of rice in there. And if you don't know what cream of rice is, this is what it looks like. It's by Quaker. You know, I live in Indiana, so you can get it at Kroger. Walmart typically does not have it, so that you're gonna need cream of rice, obviously. Berry medley. It's in the frozen section of usually your store, Walmart, Kroger's, whatever y'all have. It's in the frozen section, the frozen dessert section, right? So these are actually frozen. And then I have stevia, right? Make sure you get stevia. Don't get Splenda, get stevia. It's a natural organic root that will add sweetener, right? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add water, and then I'm gonna touch base back with y'all. We're gonna get a different camera angle. You know, I don't have a camera person, so I'm gonna be filming this shit myself. So next thing that you'll see is a different camera angle of me actually applying all these things in there. All right, stay tuned for that. Okay, step one, don't fuck this up. First of all, you need to get a digital scale, because if you're doing this activity called fitness, you need to get the scale to weigh your food. So step one is to weigh your food out. Hopefully you have a coach or somebody who's written your meal plan. If you don't have one, this is a plug. Hit your boy up, because I am coaching now. But for me, I put 30 grams of cream of rice in there, all right? Now, this is where shit, you know, kind of comes in, where I'm a little different. You know, I'm black. You know, black people usually don't measure shit. You know, we cook from the soul. So I usually eyeball the water, all right? So usually, boom, right there. That's like perfect. You know, I can just tell, years in the game. If you want me to measure it, I'll do it on a separate video. We're not gonna do that today, right? So just know that you're gonna add water, eyeball it. You don't wanna add too much. You don't wanna add, you know, not enough. It needs to be like the little bear's bed. You know what I'm saying? Goldilocks, little bear's bed. It was just right, all right? Now, we're gonna go to the microwave. Shit, trying to hold the camera. I thought I was gonna like a haunted house in here. See, I keep my shit clean. All right, so we're gonna put about 4 minutes, and then I'll get back with y'all. All right, guys, so I put it on 4 minutes. It's got like a minute and 25 seconds left, but I can see it start to rise. I don't know if you can see that. So now I can eyeball. I'm like, okay, it's good. You know what I mean? I take it out. Everybody's microwave is different, but I know mine. And that's the consistency that you want to have. I don't know if you can see that or not. All right, so we're good. So we're gonna go back here, and then I'm gonna grab the berry medley. It's important that you have this type of consistency, right? Because you don't want it to be too watery, and you don't want it to be too thick. You want the shit to be just right. But what I will say is, if it's a little bit watery, then it's okay. Boom. Eyeballing a little bit. I'm so far out from the show right now that I can eyeball some stuff. That's good enough. So we'll go ahead and try to, with my left hand, stir this, and we will be back in a second. All right, done stirring. Gonna add a little bit of stevia, like I said. A little goes a long way. You know what I mean? A little goes a long way. And I'm just gonna continue to stir. And you can see the consistency, you can see the color. What's happening right now is the cream of rice is very hot, all right, guys? So when I put the frozen berry medley in it, it caramelized. So it not only cooled and worked as ice and started cooling the cream of rice down, but it melted a little bit, giving it color, and then it caramelized. So it's gonna taste like a freaking dessert, and it's, oh my God, this shit is fucking orgasmic. You know what I'm saying? So stand by for the taste test. All right, so we're back. The shit's done. I usually have this with eggs, by the way, which I'm about to cook. But yeah, a couple things you wanna, keep in mind is that a little goes a long way. You can always add not enough and add water later, right? So don't add too much water. Sometimes if it's too thick, you might have to add. I had to add a little bit of water off can, but I got to the consistency that I wanted. It's like a paste, a little bit more watery than a paste, but nevertheless, here we go. That shit's good as fuck, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, that shit's good as fuck. Look, simple, but it makes a difference. You know what I'm saying? It breaks up the monotony in your dieting. Your food should not taste like shit just because you're dieting, all right? So do a little cute shit like this. Put the effort in to make your food taste good so you can stick to plan and not deviate. And I'm telling you right now, it will go a long way. And I'll eat this even in my off season. I eat this in pre-contest. And I just fucking actually genuinely love it. So give it a try. I'm gonna put the ingredients down below. If you want to see more recipes, if you have any questions as far as how I eat different things, whether it be chicken or whatever, you want me to do another video like this, comment below and I will do it. Of course, I'm a man of the people, y'all my kingdom. And yeah, we'll keep it rocking like that. But for now, like I always say, transcend your kingdom and always make your next move your best move. We out.